It's a sunny day and we came to the sunset. And there were so many birds, they were so hungry. So we thought that we could feed them. So yeah, we feed them down. But now, look at the seagull. It's over crazy. But we still feeded them. And mostly we feeded the pigeon because it came close to us. And I was a little bit scared in the beginning. And also we saw some small birds. Their name is Sparrow. I think you'll see them now. Oh, there's one. Sparrows, they're cute. And they're brownish. The feathers are brown. We gave them sugar of our bunnies. Did you hear the sound they did? Yeah, that's a bit good. They are doing it again. Look at the seagull's mouth. It's so big. And the sparrow has only a tiny mini mouth. And they're also a little brave. They're jumping forward and backwards. But the pigeon, it's not eating, but it's hungry. But the seagull has white and brown feathers. And they have a big yellow mouth. But the pigeon has white and gray feathers. The pigeon, it's so hungry. You can see that because it's eating so much. Much. It's going away, coming to our side, and yeah. We gave them sugar, and it's a little brave also. But the seagull, I don't think so. It's looking for its food and somewhere there's no humans. But the pigeon and the small birds, they're just eating. And the small birds have a little yellow feathers you can see there. Yeah. When you come to Stockholm City Stadshuset, then you can also come and feed some birds in summer when it's sunny and not raining. We tried to go and close them, but then we wanted to come back. Look, we put the sugar there, and now they're coming back, and the pigeon is eating it. The pigeon is not giving the others. I think it's the one that is most hungry. But still, the pigeon is so hungry. It wants to give the small birds food. Now a new pigeon came. I think that new one is going to eat up everything. But yeah. The small birds, they are brave. And the pigeon mostly. You can find sparrows in your background or in your backyard, but it's mostly no. When you subscribe our channel, we will get more encouragement and we will get more support from your comments. And bye-bye! See you in the next video. I think it's gonna be bird feeding, I guess. Or I think, but still, bye. 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 Bye.